Hi, welcome to this computer. This is ArcoLinux XFC, the flagship XFC OpenBox i3. Topic of the video is one other application that's now just readily available for you guys if you just do sudo pacman -s and then caffeine. Now I myself am a coffee addict, let's say. Not a drinker anymore, maybe. No, I just enjoy 2-3 coffees a day. That's okay, right? Now caffeine is already installed and its little applications just do that, keep you awake. So there we have the preferences and the application itself. Temporarily deactivate the screensaver and the sleep, so it's gonna be awake all the time. So if you click here, we have this little cup, and now it's active, now it's not, right? Now it's active, now it's not. It's just the left button. Right button gives something else. Disable caffeine, enable for a particular time. So for 1 hour I want it to be awake because I'm uploading something or I'm downloading something, and I want to always keep track of what's going on because I'm sitting across the room and I just want to have a glance at the screen here. Is it still working, right? So things like that. And you can set the minutes, the hours, but basically there's not much to set. It just keeps your machine awake. That's the goal. Disable, this time it's this little smoke, this little hot, right? So it's enabled, so disable is going to look like this. That's basically all I have to tell you about, to tell you about this application. It's a well-known application, and then it's super easy to install at this point in time. If you go for an update, software update, you go for browse, do check out, and I've made a video about it. There's a lot has changed, a lot has changed. A lot of packages are in here, and I think caffeine is in here, right? So repo for the third party is not an application from us, but it is on ArcoLinux repo, so it's super fast installed. Check it out.